Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the easiest way to create highlights on Instagram using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Instagram, and a couple of highlights or posts or stories that were uploaded, and now we wish to broadcast these as part of highlights to the audience. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this way for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com via a shortcut within bookmarks. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to profile, and then let's go to highlights. Click on new highlight. Let's call this highlight a test highlight as part of this tutorial. And let's now click a couple of stories that we wish to put within the highlight itself. 1, 2, 3. Click on next. We can also choose a cover for this particular highlight. Let's now right click, reload the page, and there we have it. The test highlight is on screen with those 3 particular images that were selected as part of the highlight on Instagram. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.